everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. For today's video, I have 5 easy steps to take to protect against ransomware. The ransomware attacks that brought down the Colonial's pipeline made the news, but thousands of others do not. Every organization with data is a potential victim, and sadly many are unprepared to prevent, detect, or respond to minimize the impact. Here are 5 easy steps you can take to protect yourself and your business. Identify your data assets and the systems that are used to transmit and store sensitive data. Knowing what needs to be protected is the first step to determining what technical controls will be most effective. Understanding the data flow and access is critical to making quick decisions on how best to stop an attack. Back up critical data and test to be sure you can restore it. Test your backup restore process regularly to confirm not only that you actually can restore if needed, but also know how long it will take to bring back critical systems. Train your staff. If your employees don't get regular ongoing security awareness training and updates on the latest threats, you are not arming them to be a part of the protection against ransomware. Monitor your network for indicators of compromise. Since no protection is 100% effective, it's critical to watch for unusual traffic, failed login attempts, escalated privileges, and other signs that could indicate unauthorized access. Adding threat intelligence and a team of security analysts to review alerts and validate threats means you are far likely to spot and stop an attack. Know what steps to take and what not to take. If malware is detected or suspected, make sure staff knows how to report it and that the IT team knows the steps to contain it. Have a playbook of the resources to call if needed, including your managed service provider, managed security service provider, commercial insurer, law enforcement, and even your attorney if you believe data has been exposed. Having a breach response program in place can give you an immediate access to the guidance and expertise you need in this critical time. If you need any assistance to complete any of these steps, please give us a call today. We'd be happy to help you.